When it comes to rock music, there's nothing quite as electrifying as a killer guitar riff. It's that moment when the guitarist strikes a chord or plays a sequence of notes that sends shivers down your spine and makes your heart race. As a guitarist, you aspire to create those jaw-dropping moments on stage, where you captivate the audience with your skill and passion. In this article, we will explore 5 iconic rock riffs that every aspiring guitarist must conquer to rule the stage. Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple. Let's start with one of the most recognizable guitar riffs in rock history, Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple. This riff is instantly catchy and has become an anthem for generations of rock fans. The opening notes are played using power chords, creating a heavy and powerful sound that immediately grabs attention. Why should you learn this riff? Well, apart from its legendary status, mastering Smoke on the Water will help you develop essential skills like palm muting and string bending. These techniques are fundamental for any aspiring rock guitarist looking to add depth and dynamics to their playing. How can you conquer this riff? Start by practicing each note individually until they sound clean and clear. Then gradually build up speed while maintaining accuracy. Remember to pay attention to your timing. It's crucial for capturing the groove of this classic riff. Sweet Child O' Mine by Guns N' Roses. Next up is another timeless classic, Sweet Child O' Mine by Guns N' Roses. This iconic riff showcases Slash's mastery of combining melody with raw power in his playing style. What does learning this riff offer? Apart from impressing your friends at jam sessions or gigs, mastering this riff will enhance your ability to play melodic lines while maintaining control over your picking technique. It's a riff that requires precision and finesse, as well as the ability to switch between chords seamlessly. How can you conquer this riff? Start by breaking down the riff into smaller sections and practice each part individually. Once you have a good grasp of each section, gradually piece them together until you can play the entire riff smoothly. Focus on maintaining clarity in your picking hand while ensuring that each note rings out clearly. Back in Black by AC/DC. No list of jaw-dropping rock riffs would be complete without mentioning AC/DC's Back in Black. This song opens with an instantly recognizable guitar riff that sets the stage for an energetic and powerful performance. What's so special about this riff? Learning to play Back in Black will help you develop your sense of timing and groove. The repetitive nature of the riff allows you to focus on perfecting your rhythm playing skills while building up stamina in your fretting hand. How can you conquer this riff? Start by practicing the main power chord sequence slowly, paying close attention to muting unwanted strings with both hands. Gradually increase speed while maintaining accuracy and control over your strumming hand. Remember, it's not just about playing the right notes. It's about capturing the energy and attitude behind them. Enter Sandman by Metallica. Metallica is known for their heavy sound and intricate guitar work, making Enter Sandman a must-learn for any aspiring metal guitarist. The opening guitar riff is menacing yet catchy, setting the tone for one of Metallica's most iconic songs. Why should you tackle this challenging riff? Mastering Enter Sandman will push your technical abilities to new heights. From palm-muted power chords to lightning-fast alternate picking patterns, this song has it all. By conquering this complex riff, you'll gain valuable skills like precision picking, palm muting, and hand synchronization. How can you conquer this riff? Break down the riff into smaller sections and practice each part slowly. Focus on accuracy and clarity of each note before gradually increasing speed. Pay close attention to your picking technique and make sure every stroke is clean and precise. With patience and perseverance, you'll soon be able to perform this jaw-dropping riff with confidence. Whole Lotta Love by Led Zeppelin. We conclude our list with a classic from Led Zeppelin, Whole Lotta Love. This song features one of the most iconic guitar riffs in rock history, created by the legendary Jimmy Page. What's the appeal of this riff? Learning to play Whole Lotta Love will help you understand the power of dynamics in music. The opening riff starts off soft and mysterious before exploding into a wall of sound that demands attention. It's a lesson in building tension and releasing it for maximum impact. How can you conquer this riff? Start by mastering the main chord progression while paying close attention to your timing. Once comfortable with that, add in the signature slide technique used in the intro section. Practice sliding smoothly between notes while maintaining control over your fretting hand pressure. In conclusion, These 5 jaw-dropping rock riffs are essential for any guitarist looking to rule the stage with their playing skills. By conquering these iconic riffs, you'll develop crucial techniques such as palm muting, string bending, precision picking, rhythm playing skills, hand synchronization, alternate picking patterns, all necessary for creating captivating performances that leave audiences wanting more. So grab your guitar now and start practicing these legendary riffs. Let them become an integral part of your repertoire as you embark on an exciting journey towards becoming a masterful guitarist who commands attention on stage.